All right, it's time to get our Satoshi Nakamoto on. So let's talk about Nakamoto sats. Nakamoto sats are sats that came from a Bitcoin that was mined by Satoshi Nakamoto himself, which makes them very old and very rare sats, relatively speaking. And while there were many blocks that were mined by Satoshi Nakamoto back in the early days, only a select few of those blocks hold extra special historical significance. We already talked a little bit about this back in our Block 9 and Block 9 450X sessions. But the point here is that any Nakamoto Satoshi is rare and special on its own. With over 19.8 million Bitcoin that have been issued by the protocol at the time of this recording, and with each single Bitcoin containing 100 million Satoshis, that's a lot of common sats that are out there. Then when you compare all those common sats to the very sparse amount of sats that are Nakamoto based and how rare they are, you can start to see why people are very interested in acquiring at least a handful for themselves. From a tokenomics perspective, there are 950 Bitcoin or 95 billion Satoshis out there that have the Nakamoto designation attached to it. So we've got 950 total Nakamoto Bitcoin versus almost 20 million non-Nakamoto Bitcoin out there. I think you're getting the picture here. This is why you'll see the Nakamoto trait attached to even more exotic rare sats out there like Block 9 and Block 286. They both have something extra special about them over and above having the prestigious founder's trait. So if you're in the market to swap some common sats or some of the oldest sats in history that were mined by the godfather of crypto himself, well, now you know what to do.